how to use same Telegram account on two devices. So if you want to use same Telegram account on two devices, then you can simply go with your first device and then you can install Telegram application and launch it and log into your account and you can use, right? But on the second device, you can do the same. You can go with your second device. You can simply install the Telegram application from your Play Store or your App Store, and you can simply open the application on the second device and go with start messaging, which is on the bottom, and enter the country code and then the mobile number. And once you enter all of that information, you can simply go with continue and you can log into your second device with the same process that you've used on your first. So you can simply use same Telegram account on two devices in this way. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.